Hi, it's Terry Real, the founder of Relational Life Therapy, and I'm here to invite you to a learning opportunity in Toronto. I will be working in front of an audience with a couple, trying to get to the heart of what's going on with them for 2 days. I'll work with the couple for several hours and then debrief Q&A with the therapist observers. Couple will come back for a second round and then another round of teaching, not just about what I did with this particular couple, but more generally about how RLT works to produce profound change quickly. We do trauma work in the presence of the partner sitting next to you. We deal with deconstructing patriarchy. We take sides. We deal with both shame and grandiosity. And we move men, women, and non binary folk beyond the confines of traditional gender roles into a level of intimacy which they're wishing for and which is pretty new for our culture. Come see how it's done. I look forward to seeing you there.